So today, my dear wife, Catherine, has joined me for this amazing, not really amazing, but it's an unfortunate situation because we're in quarantine right now. We can't leave the house. So this is gonna be a quarantine grocery haul video.
So we got loads of groceries right here and we're gonna take you through what we're gonna eat these next few days. Alright, so first off we got some celery. I'm probably gonna use this in soups or stews or maybe make some celery juice.
Yeah, a ton of it.
I've got a butternut squash, and with this I like to make creamy, cheesy sauce to add on top of pasta. So I think I'm gonna do that. Or maybe butternut squash soup, we'll see. We got 2 avocados, they're super unripe, that's all we could find, so they're probably gonna be ripe once this quarantine is over. And then we got a bunch of kale. This was starting to go off a little bit, but it's still fine, and I'm probably gonna chop it up, wash it, and then freeze some of it. And then we got a leek right here, and I'm probably gonna use that in a soup. And then we've got a bunch of tomatoes here. We like to either use that sliced up on top of hummus toast or avocado on toast or in salads. Next up we got some zucchinis.
Yeah, quite a lot of them here.
3 large zucchinis, so I'm probably going to use that either in a stir fry or in a soup. And the reason why I'm explaining you all this is because I'm probably going to be the one making the meal, so I know what I'm going to use most of this for.
Rub it in.
But John also makes some food sometimes, but it's just, I don't know. And then we got a bunch of sweet potatoes. We love our sweet potatoes. Good source of vitamin A. Very important for immunity. Yeah, we got loads of them. Yeah. So I also use that to make like sweet potato stew. We make sweet potato fries in our air fryer. That's your favorite. Carrots. Bunch of carrots. Also a good source of vitamin A. Very important for you. Broccoli, that was the only one left.
Just one?
That was the only one left in the store, so I grabbed it. Got 2 large peppers, 1 red pepper, 1 yellow pepper. Probably gonna use that in salads.
Also highest food in vitamin C.
Bunch of garlic, very anti-inflammatory, good for your immune system as well. Bunch of onions, because we use that a lot when we make dinner. Probably every time we make dinner we use like onions and garlic. And then we got a bunch of oranges.
Yeah, we do. So many of them, wow.
Yeah, loads of oranges. So we can probably, we can learn to jiggle. Probably gonna just slice those up and eat them, maybe add them to salads. Maybe juice them as well. We'll see how long they last. If they start to get bad, I'll make like a huge glass of orange juice or something. And then we also got some lemons. Very good source of vitamin C as well. We unfortunately just have 2 apples left. I thought we had more, so we didn't buy any. And that's the only one we have left. But we also bought a bunch of kiwi fruits.
Yeah.
And kiwis are also super high in vitamin C. And then we got some strawberries, a big case right here. They also didn't have a lot of cases left. There were like 2 cases and they were moldy, so I didn't get them. Okay,
my turn. So we have a bunch of frozen blueberries and strawberries here. Extremely important for making healthy and delicious smoothies. I personally like to throw in the frozen blueberries on top of my oatmeal as well. So definitely gonna be doing that. And then we have 1 pack of fresh blueberries. This is a very small pack.
Yeah,
Can disappear in 1 second.
Noah likes to just snack on them as well, so we'll probably
Noah loves it. Here we have just some ingredients that we use in our salads. We got 2 bags of spinach, 2 bags of lettuce, some frozen green peas here. Right, moving on to the most important section of this whole table, the protein, the tempeh. So we just emptied the whole store, not really, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks here, which, I personally eat 1 block a day, so that doesn't last too long. But luckily we have some tofu to complement the tempeh, so we have quite a bit of tofu here. We got some smoked tofu, and then we have some regular tofu. Oh my god! Some of my, staple foods to include in my diet to increase my protein level, especially because I work out a lot, and I'm still working out during this quarantine. So it's really important for me to still get my protein in. And then here we have 2 packs of hummus. And yeah, hummus is just a great spread on toast. What else we use it for? In bowls.
Or just dip vegetables in hummus. And
yeah, that's amazing.
Or we make these like pita breads and then we dip them in hummus.
Yeah. All right, more protein. So here we have some red lentils. Amazing staple. Just you can make so many dishes out of it.
Yeah.
Loads of curries, Indian dishes. More legumes. We got some chickpeas here, and then some pinto beans here, raw uncooked. So we gotta cook those up. And yeah, great source of iron and protein as well. Having legumes is just really convenient, especially when you're gonna meal prep, especially during quarantine. You can just batch cook a lot of them and then you can eat them for, you know, several days afterwards.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna use some of these ingredients to make like big batches of like stews and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see what we make in bulk to have in the fridge for like a few days, leave a comment below.
Whole wheat pasta, we have 2 bags of this lentil pasta, and this has 27 grams per 100 grams of protein, high in calories as well. So not only do we want to get a lot of protein, not only do we want to get a lot of vitamin C, we also want to get enough calories every single day so we're not starving here, right? So pastas and legumes and grains are gonna be your best friend if you want to get those calories in.
Alright, and then we have one canned lentil actually as well.
Oh yeah.
And that's just like if we want something quick and easy, then we can just use this. Oats. That's super important, right?
Yeah.
Usually we have like oats every single day, either as oatmeal for breakfast, or I make oat pancakes as well. That's been my favorite lately. So yeah, I can probably show you that one there as well.
Yeah, so this is like 3.5 pounds of oats each pack.
We also have this big pack of buckwheat. So that's a good variation for oats, and it also doesn't contain gluten. If you can't deal with gluten, buckwheat cereal is a good alternative for breakfast, or you can use it instead of rice for dinner. We have some black quinoa right here. Quinoa is another great source of protein, amino acids. We got some oat milk here. We got loads of soy milk. We usually prefer soy milk, just because it's higher in protein and it contains more minerals. And then we got some coconut water just to stay hydrated, just to have something to enjoy. And Noah is also a big fan of coconut water, so we got a little bit of that. We got some seeds. This is chia seeds. We can make chia seed pudding, put it in smoothies, in our oatmeal. Ground flax seeds, great source of omega-3s. And then also some hemp seeds, one of our favorites as well, to add to smoothies and oatmeal.
So those are kind of like sources of fat, right? Omega-3s and fatty acids. So again, if you want to boost your calories, getting nuts and seeds in is going to be super important because they're, you know, twice as calorie dense as than a lot of these foods here.
And then we also got some other pantry staples, so like chopped tomatoes, tomato sauce, some tomato puree, and some tomato ketchup. We like to use this like for dinner, make soups, stews, like I said before, mix it with our vegetables. You can have it for pasta sauce. We got some tamari. We got a couple of these almond yogurts. Probably gonna give that to Noah. Jars of sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is really good for your gut microbiome, and keeping your gut microbiome healthy is very important for immunity as well. So make sure you get in some probiotic foods. And then another jar of just applesauce. We like to add it to our oatmeal. One of these coconut milks for curry. Right,
so we're coming to the end here. So we have, some almond butter. Definitely one of my favorite foods of all time. Just so delicious. I think I actually prefer almond butter to peanut butter even. So let me know in the comment section if you're team almond butter or team peanut butter. Amazing source of calories, amazing source of fats, vitamin E as well. We have some vegan chocolate here. So we have one, I don't know what this one is, we've never tried it before.
Just a dark chocolate.
Yes, just dark chocolate. And then we have these moo-free British chocolate bars here too. And then we have some corn cakes with dark chocolate and some vegan truffle chocolate. And
actually what I was thinking about right now, that is like a key ingredient, key staple that we need to have in our house all the time that we don't have, bananas.
Yeah, apparently bananas are just sold out everywhere, so
we might be able to get some. I think your parents got loads of bananas upstairs, so we can probably steal some bananas for them.
We will.
And then we also thought that we'd share some of the supplements we've been taking recently with you guys as well, because I know a lot of you guys ask about supplements. What do we take? The supplements that we take are
testosterone?
Are vegan B12, that's very important. Just make sure to get to your B12 in. And then also during the winter we like to supplement with this vitamin D. And then also during this time vitamin D is very important for your immunity. So we're just boosting up on some of these, taking extra vitamin D. Especially
if they don't have a terrace or you know, if you're on quarantine as well, you can't go outside and get sunshine in.
And then another staple supplement is omega-3s. So yeah, that's usually what we supplement with. But recently we've been adding some other supplements to our regimen because we just want to boost our immunity. We've been traveling to LA, as you guys know, and then traveling back home here. And yeah, just to make sure that we stay healthy, we've been boosting up with some of this elderberry immune syrup. So elderberry syrup has actually been shown to reduce the severity and the duration of the cold if you're like feeling a bit bad. And then I've also been taking some of this greens powder just to boost our greens intake. This one has barley grass, wheatgrass and alfalfa. Some other supplements that are good for your immunity is vitamin C. We've been taking this liposomal vitamin C, which I think is better absorbed. And then also zinc is one of those supplements that are good for your immunity as well. Have you been taking them, John?
No.
So John,
I'm really bad at supplements.
So even though there's a lot of worrying and fear going on right now, this is actually a good time for us to make sure that we stay on top of our health, get loads of fruits and vegetables in, loads of healthy foods, do some meal prepping, do some extra meditation, stuff for yourself to just stay sane in this crazy time. Take breaks from social media, get some fresh air if you can. If you can go outside, at least like just open your door or windows.
Yeah, and if this inspired you to go out there and buy healthy food, which I hope it did, we also do, meal plans and home workout routines as well. So, if you need help with what to buy and how to prepare and how to cook every single meal during this quarantine or just in general to optimize your health, we do offer those services on our website. So just follow the link in the description box below if that is something that you're looking for right now, because this is our passion, this is our jobs. Catherine is actually a nutritionist and a personal trainer as well, and we've worked with hundreds and hundreds of people to optimize their health, and it will be a pleasure to work with you as well. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it if you can share, leave a like, leave a comment, and that's it. Thank you so much.
Make sure to subscribe.
Yes. All right, bye-bye.
Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Peace out.